In today's video, I will walk you through how to add Auto Anchored VWAP in Robinhood Legend. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add the Auto Anchored VWAP indicator to your chart and access the settings menu for customization inside Robinhood Legend. First, go to Robinhood Legend and open your chart workspace. Once your chart is visible on the screen, move to the upper right-hand corner and look for the Indicators icon located just below the Add Widget button. Click on the Indicators icon to open the Indicators panel. Inside the Indicators panel, click Add Indicator to open the complete list of available indicators. After the list appears, you can either scroll through the available indicators manually or use the search box to find the indicator faster. Type Auto Anchored VWAP into the search box or continue scrolling through the list until you locate the indicator. Once you find Auto Anchored VWAP, click on it to add it directly to your chart. After selecting the indicator, it will automatically appear on the chart inside your Robinhood Legend workspace. Beside the indicator name, click on Settings to open the customization menu. This will display the available settings for the Auto Anchored VWAP indicator. Inside the Settings menu, you can review and adjust the available options directly from the panel. Continue through the Settings section and make any adjustments you want for the indicator setup. As you update the settings, the changes will automatically apply to the chart in real time. The Auto Anchored VWAP indicator will remain visible and active within your workspace while you continue working in Robinhood Legend. At this point, you have successfully added the Auto Anchored VWAP indicator and opened the settings menu for customization inside Robinhood Legend.